How to download and install YouTube app on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about downloading and installing the latest version of YouTube application on your mobile device. So now let's get started. In order to download your YouTube application, you need to have Google Play Store on your device and launch it if you're using your Android. And in the case if you're using your iPhone, you need to go ahead and open your App Store on your device. Then tap on the search bar in the top, search for YouTube application. Then go ahead and tap on install, which you will find highlighted in blue color, and this will begin installing the latest version of YouTube on your device. There are also other applications of YouTube such as YouTube Studio, YouTube Kids, YouTube Music, and more. You can go through them and install it on your device as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.